Good morning. My name is Paul Grant. I wanted to talk to you about stalking and stalking injunctions. Stalking injunctions are obtained under the Utah statutes, and what needs to be proven to obtain an injunction is essentially the same conduct that needs to be proven to be convicted of stalking. And that conduct is a person intentionally or knowingly engages in a course of conduct that would cause another person to fear for their safety, or that conduct would cause a person significant emotional distress, or it's actually defined as serious emotional distress, which is defined as significant mental or psychological suffering. And that suffering doesn't have to be proven by a medical report or a psychological report or any kind of evidence such as that. It can be merely proven by a person claiming they had that suffering. Now, a judge has to look at that and say, well, would a reasonable person really suffer significant suffering by what the conduct occurred? Now, a course of conduct is defined as two or more incidents. So it's not a lot. Two times of causing a person emotional distress is enough, or causing them to fear for their safety. Now, stalking is a Class A misdemeanor, which is punishable by up to a year in jail for the first offense. A second offense is a third-degree felony, punishable by 0 to 5 years in prison. It's also a third-degree felony if you are a cohabitant, if the two people are cohabitants, which means they live together. Stalking can also be a domestic violence offense. If somebody obtains a stalking injunction, and then that injunction is violated on the first offense, it's a Class A misdemeanor. And if it continues, it can become a felony. It's a pretty serious situation. It can happen easily. Lots of times it happens after a relationship ends and one person doesn't want to let go, or doesn't get the messages. They're ghosted and they want to talk to the person. But there are defenses, and it has to be proven. And I think it's something that should be fought. And if you find yourself facing a stalking injunction or stalking charges, give me a call.